Hey, thanks for joining us today as we highlight Drees Custom Homes 50-foot series at Haby Hill. I'm Shane Tracy, your San Antonio new build specialist. Now, here at Haby Hill, Drees Custom Homes has two different series. Their 50-foot series and also their 60-foot series. And they offer these, the floor plans in both 1 and 2 story floor plans, so you do have a lot to choose from. Now, right behind me, the 2-story is called the Gaven, and this particular 2-story is part of the 50-foot series. There are actually 12 different floor plans in this series, and the price ranges from $469,000 all the way up to $599,000. Square footage ranges from 2135 square feet to 3678 square feet. And this particular community is located on the far west side of San Antonio, right off of 211 between Petranco Road and Culebra Road. And at both of these intersections, you'll be happy to know there's a brand new HEB, along with restaurants and shopping. There are also other major retailers such as Costco, Target, and Walmart to choose from. And this particular community is located near major employers such as Citibank and Joint Base San Antonio Lackland. And as far as the school district, you'll find it is the Medina Valley ISD. The property tax rate is, you ready? 2.417492%. Now, before it gets any later, let's go check out how gorgeous the Gaven is on the inside. Let's go. Welcome to the Gaven floor plan by Drees Custom Homes. This breathtaking 2-story delivers between 3603 and 3617 square feet of refined living with 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. Every bedroom features its own ensuite access and generous walk-in closet. The primary suite feels like a private retreat with a spa-inspired bath and freestanding tub. You'll also enjoy a dedicated home office, an oversized game room, and a covered back patio built for outdoor living in style. Enjoy the home. thanks for joining us for another awesome video. Before I forget, go ahead, you're going to find it right about here. You'll have my contact information. Go ahead and call, text with any questions you may have about this builder or any other builder that we are going to show you. Believe me, we are the specialists here at Good to Go Realty to make sure that you are guided through each and every step to home ownership, making sure that we're finding the right home for you. And we understand you have unique needs and situations. And believe me, we are listening and wanting to make sure that we get you through each of those unique steps to home ownership. Whether it is your federal student loan debt, you need to get that lowered. You want to use your VA home loan benefits. You have a down payment assistance need that we can find a solution for. Whatever it may be, just know Good to Go Realty is your new home solution. I cannot stress it enough. So go ahead and give me a call, text, and we will walk you through each and every scenario, making sure that we're getting you in the right home that fits your lifestyle, that fits your budget, and that fits the right side of town just for you. Have a great day.